Car, Dacia.
I hit him, Eddie. Just saw him. He's running toward us. Oh, he just ran inside. Was that you shooting?
Nope.
There, oh, another one just ran in the blue house. He's going up the stairs. So there's one behind it, unless that guy circled. That's so close. They're on the roof.
Killed one inside the house.
Nice, there's another one on top, I think. Yeah, I see him. He just closed the door. He's on the very top left corner. See him? Two of them. Do you have a grenade?
Nah, I don't see him.
Dude, throw
Up on the right side?
Left side, right by the where it's a little taller. They're right there. They're moving around. He's jumped down. I knocked him down. You got a grenade? Throw it in that doorway. There's another guy on the roof, though. Throw it in that doorway now, dude. He's gonna get revived. Fuck. Throw it through the second story roof. Because they're probably on the stairs. Alright, we got 20 seconds till we gotta go. There you go.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Told you. We got them both because I got the one I downed.
Nice.
Alright, we got 10 seconds, 2 seconds. A car crossing the bridge right now. Coming up to me. Nope, they stopped right by the bridge. Fuck, I missed him. Oh shit, right in front of us! Holy shit! That guy was just laying down right inside a tree. Popping a painkiller. There's that guy on the bridge still by the Jeep, I think. He should still be there. Yeah, I see him left side. Hit him twice. There's two of them.
Where at? What numbers?
The bridge, 60, 75. They're both behind the Jeep.
Blow it up.
Whoa, he headshotted me SKS, dude. 20 seconds to revive me. He shot me once, I shot him twice.
You got a med kit and all that shit?
I got first aid, yeah, I got first aid. I'm gonna pop it right away. You watch the hill, though. Make sure they don't push us. Alright, we gotta go toward them.
Blow that shit up.
Got him. Knocked another one down. Got another one. I need to heal.
Fucking killing it, bro.
I knocked one down right down on the other side of the hill. He's laying down. He's probably getting revived right now. He's right in front of us northeast. That's where we gotta go.
Let's do it. Only 2 left.
Yeah, I'm just bandaging real quick. That's probably the guy just down here, right in front of you. Right in front of you should be. 11 kills, baby.